Hey you guys, I know it's been a while since I've been on here, but I have enjoyed my holiday. My husband came home on the 17th or 18th, 18th, and he just left yesterday. So yeah, I've been MIA, so I could enjoy my holiday with my husband and with my son, with my family. So I hope y'all also had a great holiday, and I wish you guys a happy new year. Um, so I want to start this off. I was gonna do a link to check because today, January 5th, marks my 1 year anniversary since doing my big chop. I won't say it's my 1 year natural because I was natural before then, but I just decided to do my big chop. Um, so I will just insert pictures um, of, I guess, how long my hair is from a year from now. But this is what it looks like now. I just did a twist. I did twist and I took them out and I just fluffed them out because I didn't feel like doing a twist out type thing. So I just did a twist out puff, I guess you can call it. I don't know. Anywho, but yeah, that's what's going on here. Um, it's my last hair's coming out. Anyways, it's my last semester of school, so I will be MIA most of the semester as well. Be doing an internship, and sorry, I keep hitting my computer because I don't feel like hooking up my what is it called? Putting my tripod and my camera up. So I'm doing it through my laptop. Anyways, so yeah, my internship is gonna take a lot of um, time and consume a lot of my time as well. So I'll update and post the videos that I said I was gonna try to edit. Um, I'll probably post those old videos, and you'll know that they're old because of my hair length. So yeah, and what else is there? Um, I think that's about it. I mean, this is, I guess, just to say Happy New Year, and I'm almost at 500 subscribers, which is awesome. So hopefully, I'll be able to take some time out to do a contest giveaway type thing. I don't know. So if y'all are interested in that, I guess just comment below as to what type of prizes y'all would like, whether it be natural hair or cooking or beauty related giveaway items or all of the above. Just let me know down below what specific category, whether it be hair, makeup, or cooking type of items that y'all would like to receive. And I will get working on that. What else is there? I guess that's about it for an update. I'm gonna do another video after this, and that is pretty much it. So I will talk to you good people later, okay? Peace.